Hello guys, how you guys doing? You're welcome once again to my channel, and today's video guys, I'm going to show you why you need to pay attention to what Bitcoin is doing. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so, because obviously we are seeing a lot of potential move, and this will take a lot of guys unawares because they don't understand what the market is doing. Okay, so we have seen in market that Bitcoin is actually trying to play the bearish sign here. Okay, so we'll be expecting 1 2 3 4 5, expecting this 5 to break the all-time high again. But as I told you guys in our previous video, there's what they call the truncated wave 5. Okay, so the truncated wave 5 might play out here in the sense that this wave here will start correcting and down. Okay, so because we have seen divergence in almost two time frame, daily and 4 hours. If you check out here, you see that here, let me show you something that you need to pay attention with. Okay, this is divergence in 4 hours. If you go to daily, this is another divergence in daily, guys. So when you start seeing this stuff in different time frame, that you got to pay a very good attention to what the market is doing. Okay, so and let me explain to you what we'll be expecting here within the week. All right, so what we'll be expecting here within the week will be a kind of a running flat, whereby this market, when this one is completed, it will come down. So breaking this low, if I break this low and come up again, come down, or it goes down straight. Okay, so it depends on how it forms here, but looking at it from all indication is very bearish. Okay, it's very bearish. So you can also see from the look of things that this trend line that I've been holding here is broken here, guys. You can see that the trend line is broken. So all these are signs from the structure of the market that there is a potential correction coming up. Okay, so if you take a look from let's have a 1 hour chart, you can see the same thing here, that the 1 hour chart still supports the bearish sign. Okay, support the bearish sign. So what we'll be seeing in a short term will be something like this. Then the market will start coming down, and that's why we said potentially the market will still give us one move up before coming down. Okay, so how are you going to position yourself? Now that's the next question. How are you going to position yourself? Looking at it this way, we've been thinking of what if this market decides to do something like here, A, B, C here, stopping here, making this A, B, C in a bigger wave. Okay, let me use a different color for it. This is A, B, C here, okay, in a small wave. So making that this is equal to this, okay, and equal to this. So we now have in a bigger wave A, B, C. Okay, so if this plays out this way, whereby we have this, then we might be seeing the next wave up. So but in the short term, we definitely will be expecting market to retest 50,000 level of Bitcoin price, 50,000 level, which is here, 50,000 plus. So from here now, we'll now see the next pattern, but looking at it this way, that this is not a very sharp move. It has given us like 3 wave here. We have 3 wave here. So this 3 wave here might not support this, okay, might not support this, but anyway, that is the potential of what is happening. So now let me not confuse you. The most important thing you should be looking at for now is this wave that is going to complete. So are you interested in taking this trade, guys? Are you interested in taking this trade? So that's the most important question now. Are you interested in taking this trade? If the answer is yes, then you need to sign up on Binance Futures, or sign up on Bybit, or sign up on Femex. Okay, so these are the places you can do a short position on Bitcoin price, so you can make a potential gain. Okay, you can make it. I think is a very good one. And you're looking at it from all indication, starting from here to here, like 13% plus. Okay, so there's a potential profits coming your way within this wave. Okay, so that is what we're expecting. So if you're expecting, then kindly position yourself. Now the best place for you to take this trade is, number one, you can take this trade from here. You can take this trade from here, guys. That is, if you're very, very conservative, you can take this trade from here. Okay, take this trade from here. As it's breaking out from here, you take the trade. Then that is the best place. But if for being an aggressive person, you can take this. This is our fib level we have mapped out. Okay, we have mapped out this fib level. Okay, thinking, believing that it will definitely retest this level before coming down. You can see where it is now. So we're expecting it to retest this before coming down. Okay, so that's what we're expecting. All right, so now generally, if you look at, let's look at Bitcoin from daily, so we can see what we'll be expecting, guys. So looking at Bitcoin from daily, all right, so if eventually this move that is coming, if it breaks this low, guys, that will be a very, very, dangerous sign for Bitcoin, guys. Okay, if it breaks this low, kind of this lower high, okay, if you ever break this lower high here while the testing is, then just be aware that Bitcoin bull run might be coming to an end. Okay, Bitcoin might be coming to an end, but let's not go there because the distance is still very much. So that is our potential short term, that is 42,000 plus. Okay, so we are now considering within this the short move, that is 4 hours and 1 hour charts setup. That is one thing we are considering now. That's 1 hour and 4 hours chart setup. Okay, based on this trend, what we are looking at now, this trend is over. Okay, this trend is over. So we are looking at another trend now that will come here. Then from here we'll now see where the market will be going from here. Okay, so that's what we are looking at. All right, guys, so if you want to learn how to trade, how to understand this market movement accurately and how to predict the movement, then you can let me know, then I'll be glad to help you. Okay, I'll be glad to help you. Now look at this coin that I told you guys the other day of AST. Guys, you can see, the AST has advanced massively. I think we were there in was it not few Satoshi before it breaks this all-time. Yeah, I think that was 600 plus Satoshi. Now it's already 1,000, and this is just the beginning, guys. So what I'm expecting this. If you call this coin a shit coin, you are not making a mistake. Okay, you're not making a mistake. I don't know much about them, but what I know is that they are here to make us money. Okay, and we'll be expecting it to break this all-time high. That is 2,000 plus Satoshi. Now look at the other one I sold the other guys. Now it's being sluggish, but it has actually advanced, but there's no sign of selling yet. That is CDT. It's still advancing. No sign of selling, guys. No sign of selling this coin yet. No sign. So the only thing we can look at now is to see it this way. We are looking at it to be a running flat. Okay, so looking at this way, it might break. So from here up, or it might decide to retest here and go. Okay, based on how you feel like. Most times you cannot predict exactly the pattern that a market will form, but in the long run, we already know the direction of the market. Knowing the direction of the market is more important than knowing the pattern that it forms, okay? Because they say that the end justifies the means, okay? So once you know where the market is heading to, that is, you can position yourself and ride on the wave. Just like somebody can travel by all different kind of, transportation. So, and it gets to the destination is more important, guys. It's more important. All right, so we are still very much bullish on CDT. So the only thing we need now is time on our side. Okay, time on our side. Now let's look at Ethereum. What is going on in Ethereum, guys? Exactly. How cool. You see, look at what I told you guys the other day. Some guys say, Sam, how come you know about all these things? I said, well, expect these guys expect these guys, expect these guys. So we have completed it here, and now it's coming down. So what are we expecting? Now you can see clearly that this wave, this one is even more clear than Bitcoin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear 5 wave. So this is a clear 5 wave. So from here now, we'll be seeing A, B, C. We are seeing C here, guys. So which C will come in here? So after that, and look at the way it forms, guys. Look at the way it forms. That this wave did not break this one. So because of that, we'll be expecting this one to break this. Okay, so that the pattern can be complete. So we'll be looking at Ethereum to break this 1,200 or 1,300 range, guys. Okay, so we're looking. So if holding your Ethereum to the level of 1,300 might be a problem, might panic you. You might decide to book on some profits, because everything here looks bearish. That Ethereum market will definitely test this low here. Test this low, guys. Okay, that's 1,284. So we're expecting it to retest here. So from there, we now see the next pattern it's from. Now, I just want to make this in clear, guys, that this is alt season, guys. This is alt season. That is altcoin season. This is altcoin season. Now, as Bitcoin and Ethereum is correcting, expect massive move in altcoin. Okay, expect massive move in altcoin. Which other coin should we look at? Let's look at Cardano. A lot of requests, guys, on Cardano. What are we expecting from Cardano? We had this spike on the market, and this spike did not break this. Let's look at it. Let's structure this. Let's look at it this way. Okay, let's look at it this way. This is the trend. The trend broken here. So the next thing we might see here is we might see another spike here coming down, okay, before going up. Now there's other things you just need to pay attention to, like this kind of stuff. You see, we might see something like here where this one retests in touching this place, and there we go. We've seen that before. Okay, we've seen that before, especially when a pattern decides to form this complex structure. All right, so expect this. There will still be a retrace before the next bull market is coming. All right, that's on Cardano. Okay, so if you have any coin that you want me to help you to analyze, kindly do so. I'll be glad to do that for you. Don't forget. Okay, look at this one that we have a lot of massive profits within this season. That is SNM. Okay, we joined it. I think that was on 50 Satoshi. It actually tested 100. It actually tested 100 Satoshi. We doubled our money already on this. And don't forget, look at this coin also that I made clear to you guys the other time. I think I picked it. I picked this coin earlier now. That was on 24,700 Satoshi. Now it's 79,000 plus. So I think now it's overstretched. So we might see, we are seeing this correction. So at least it must come here before we now see the next spike or complex move, stuff like this. Okay, guys. So if you are not being profitable in your trading, then ask yourself, why are you losing money? Okay, it starts from that internal question. Is it that you are not being patient, or you are trading longly, or stuff like this? Okay, so when you ask yourself this kind of question, then you'll be able to know what actually is causing you to make the mistakes. But one thing you should be aware of is this: if you are losing money based on wrong analysis, then you need knowledge. Okay, you need knowledge. You need to learn so they can see clear. And that's why we are here for you guys, to help you to demystify the complex structures of the market so you can see it clearly and be able to profit from it. All right, so thank you once again for your time and checking out this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it with your friend, guys. And as the market develop, I think I need to give you guys, before I end this video, let's see if we can have a free trade here. Okay, let me see what we can give you guys as a take home today as a free trade. Okay, looking at it from all angles, I think we are looking at shit coins here. Okay, we're looking at shit coins, see which one we can. Okay, I think TCT, this TCT is good. Okay, it's good. All right, TCT is 90 Satoshi now. TCT BTC, TCT BCT. Say I sound TCT BTC. All right, so it's a good one. It's a good one, guys. It's a good one. All right, so if you are looking for something to buy that will help you multiply your Bitcoin today, from our take today, we recommend TCT BTC. Okay. All right, so this is a free signal for you guys today, and I just want to use this video to say thank you once again for your time. And there's other one that actually I've seen this morning. Yeah, this coin will also do well. That is HIVE BTC. Hive BTC. You can say it instead of calling HIV BTC. These guys are crazy. Naming all this Hive BTC. All right, Hive BTC. So I think this coin will do very well in the near future. All right, so we have TCT, we have Hives, so you can look at it. But looking at it critically, I think BTC is more ready for the move. Okay, it's ready for the move, guys. Okay, yes, it's already moving. All right, guys, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for your time. See you.